Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, again we are going to see one important interview question which is asked by the interviewer, in which they asked us to find out the duplicate elements, to find out the unique elements from this array, okay, and print it. So to find out the unique element, I will be again using the same kind of functions which I have used in my previous program. That's why I told you, I mean, in the last program as well, just to memorize these functions, because we will be using these functions very frequently in arrays. So the first function I will be using again, sort. Okay, so first of all I'll sort this array. Now as soon as this array will be sorted, right, so I know the values will be repeated. Okay, let's suppose we have 10, the 10 should be in the first place, then we have 23, okay, and then again we have 23. So the second thing, the value present on the first index and the second index will be same, okay, and we'll create the same logic, right? If the index, like the first and the second, is same, then skip it, then increment the counter. Basically you will go to next element, right? If it is not the same, then print it. Okay, if it is same, just increment it. If it is not same, just print it. These two logics we will be writing. Okay, so how we will be writing these two logics, I'll quickly show you. So after sorting the array, okay, now what you can do, you can take out the length of this array. Okay, so length is the function, as we have seen in the last program as well. You can save it. Let's say int length. Obviously it will give you an integer value. This length will obviously give you an integer value. Now let me print it just for the reference. Once I'll debug it, it will help you, even though we can see in the debugger things, but that's okay. Okay, now I'll write one for loop. Okay, so what this for loop do, it will go one by one to these elements, the elements which are present in this array. So I'll start with 0, okay, and I'll go with the length. It should be less than a length, then I plus plus increment. Now here comes the logic part. Now I want to print the values only if the values are, I mean, only after comparing the values of the index. Okay, so I'll write one while condition here. Now what while will do, it will first check int, sorry, we can use direct same, you can say same variable. So I will run till the last element, okay, and this is my first condition, and the second condition will be temp dot I equals to temp dot I plus 1. Okay, so if these both values are equal, okay, if the both of these values are equal, what it will do, it will increment the I. Let me put it in a bracket so that it will be more clear to you guys. Okay, so it will increment the value of I. Okay, if not, then come out and then print the value. Simple. Don't worry, I'll debug it and I'll explain you each and every step. But see, the logic is, if it is equal, just increment the counter and go to the next element, or you can say next, go to the next index. Again, if it is same, go to the next. Again, if it is same, go to the next index. If it is not same, just print it. Okay, so I'll show you. Let me put a debugger over here, or let me first run this program. Println, it will be in the next line. Let's put it in the same line. I'll just put some space over here so that it will be easy for you to see. Let's run this. Okay, so the length is 17 and the values are, unique values are 6, 7, 10, 24, 20, 23, 24, 33, 34, 45, 53, 56, 76, 77. Okay, so there is no repeated value now. Okay, now let me put the debugger. and we'll go one by one over here. Just go to debug and Java application. So see, this is my element, right? This is my array. Now I'll step over to next statement, and as soon as I step over to next statement, what it will do, it will sort the values, right? So let me do it. So see, after sorting, if you see 23 is there 3 times, right? So once temp I equal to 3 equal to I equal to 4, if they both are same, right, 3 and 4, then increment the index, then the value will be 4. Then it will compare 4 and 5, both are same, then again it will increment the index, then value will be 5. Then 5 and 6 are same, no, it's not same, it came out, and it will come out and it will print that value of I, that is 5. So let me show you directly over here. So if you see here, now the value of I is 0, it means 6, right? And there is no repeated value after this. So what it will go, it will go into the while loop. It will check 0, okay, temp 0, that is 6, and temp 1, that is 7, right? Values are not same, 6 and 7, obviously these are not same, right? Because I value is 0 and I plus 1, obviously it is 1, right? So they both are not same. So while condition fails, it will come out, and it will simply print the value of I, that is 6. Now again it will go, and this time it will increment the counter from here, right? We go to the next statement. Now I is equal to 1. Now 1 and 2 are the same, no, it will again come out from the while loop. Now next, I equal to 2 this time. Now 2 and 3 same, no, obviously it will not go inside while loop and it will print. Now 3 came, 3 and 4 are same, right, same, so it will go in the while loop. See, because here I value is 3 and 4, right? 3 plus 1, 4. 3 and 4 are same, it will increment, it will not do anything, again it will check next. Now this time I value is 4, again 4 and 5 it will check, again the both are same, again it will increment. See, it will increment it. Now it should, as soon as it become 5 and 6, obviously they are not same, and that's the reason it came out. And this is how this loop is working, and the condition is working, okay? And it will print all the basically all the unique elements. Okay, so this is how you can print the unique elements. I hope this video will help you in your interview. Thank you, thanks a lot.